If you are looking for a way to make money working from home, not hustling 24/7, selling digital products, I got something for you. So I want you to listen up. First, give me a like and follow. I'm a business coach and consultant here in Montreal, and I've been working from home for about 24 years. Well, maybe 20. I'm not that old. Okay, so listen in. This business, there is absolutely no finding customers, no following up in the DMs, and no friend requesting, okay? No hitting people up, your friends and family. How does that sound? There's no inventory, there's no overhead, no quotas, no upline, no downline. It's 100% profit. And again, you're not chasing your tail. You're not chasing money. You're not chasing customers. You're not chasing your friends and family. You're not chasing time and trying to carve out time that you don't have. Drop a link in the comments, like give me a heads up, send me a DM, whatever. I'm going to give you the information if you are interested in making money, working from home, selling digital products.